Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm on a Triumph Rocket. Oh jeez, Triumph Rocket, here we go. Hello, 6th gear motorcycles here. And I'm on a Triumph Rocket. Now, alright, this isn't a ZX-10R, right? It's not a Ducati Panigale or anything like that. Jeez, this thing is bloody huge lump of a bloody bike. And I need to find my feet on it. This is literally finding your feet. Like I've never had to do before. So I always promised myself I was going to get to ride a Rocket. And now I am. And isn't it great? Rev limiter. Holy shit.